In the heart of a lush, ancient forest, a hush fell over the clearings whenever Dudu, the magnificent Bengal tiger, made his way to the watering hole. His powerful strides and gleaming eyes commanded respect and often fear. The other animals would scatter, leaving the cool, clear water just for him. One scorching afternoon, as Dudu quenched his thirst, he noticed a small monkey chattering nervously from a high branch. Nearby, a graceful deer watched from the shadows, her fawn hiding behind her slender legs. Even the playful elephant calf, usually trumpeting with joy, stood silently beside his mother. Dudu watched them, a flicker of something new in his golden eyes. He had always seen their fear as a sign of his strength, but today it felt different. It felt lonely. He finished drinking, and instead of roaring to announce his departure, he simply turned and walked silently back into the dense jungle. The next day, he returned to the watering hole. The animals scattered as usual, but this time, Dudu didn't approach the water's edge. He lay down a respectful distance away, under the shade of a large banyan tree, and simply watched. Days turned into weeks. Dudu continued his new routine. The monkey, curious and bold, was the first to inch closer. He saw not a fearsome predator, but a solitary king. Soon the deer began to graze closer to the water's edge while Dudu was present, and the little elephant calf even dared a playful splash. They started to understand. Dudu wasn't just claiming the water, he was guarding it, ensuring it remained a peaceful sanctuary for everyone. A cunning fox, who had been observing this change, remarked to the others, "True strength isn't about making others afraid. It's about making them feel safe." From that day on, the watering hole became a place of harmony. The tiger, once feared, was now a respected guardian. His presence was no longer a threat, but a promise of protection. Dudu learned that the greatest power wasn't in dominance, but in kindness, and that a shared world is far richer than one ruled alone. And so, the great tiger was never lonely again. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tales from the wild.